Good day, everyone. Welcome once again to our session for today. So, this time I'm going to give you some few or more examples on the basic formulas. So, last time class we talked about this basic formulas, integral of a dx equal to ax plus c, where our a is any constant. All right, and we have another formula, integral of x to the n times dx equal to x to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So in our last session, I give you examples in each of these two formulas separately. So this time class, I'm going to give you examples where you can use both of this formula at the same time, no, to solve some examples. Okay, so for example, if you're given, say, integral of example number 1. So if you're given integral of 5x cubed dx, so how will you solve this problem? So if you look at the given class, so it looks like that it's a combination of the two formulas. The first formula is just a dx, and the second one is a power formula. So this one, it's in the form of a dx, but there's also a term that contains the power. Okay, so how are we going to solve this problem? So to solve this, what you're going to do, you just, as mentioned in our previous examples, in our previous discussion, if you have this combination of a constant, you just isolate the constant. Okay, so put the constant 5 outside the integral sign. Okay, and then you have x cubed dx. Okay, then after that, just use the power formula. So this is equal to, so you have the 5, you just copy that one, then applying this formula, x to the n dx equal to x to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So ang n na to din is equal to 3, right? Our n in this example, our n is equal to 3. So applying this formula, so we have 5 times, we have x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1, then plus c. Okay, so this is equal to 5 x to the power 3 plus 1, so that is x to the power 4, then divided by 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus c. So equal to, so you can rewrite this as 5 divided by 4 times x to the power 4 plus c. Okay, so that's our answer. How about this second example? Say you're given integral of 14.4 times y to the power 0.2 dy. Okay, so that's the given. So this is equal to, again, we have the constant here. So put the constant outside. 14.4, then integral of y to the power 0.2 times dy. So equals, so again using this formula, our n here is 0.2. So 14.4 times y to the power 1.02. Sorry, 1.2. So that's 0.2 plus 1, so that is 1.2. Then ang denominator is n plus 1, where our n is 0.2, so 0.2 plus 1, that is also 1.2. Then plus c equal to, so this is the same as 14.4 divided by, so 14.4 divided by 1.2 and times y to the power 1.2 plus c. So what is 14.4 divided by 1.2? So this is, try to verify lang class, I think this is 12. No? So this is 12, and y to the power 1.2, then plus c. Alright? Then example number 3. So if you have integral of the quantity 3x plus 4 times dx. So this is equal to, so the technique here class is that you just distribute this integral sign in its term and also the dx. So we can rewrite this as integral of 3x dx then plus 4, or integral of 4 times dx. Or you can rewrite this, no, segregate or isolate the constant. So we have the constant 3, put it outside, then you have x dx, then plus you have constant 4, put it outside, then times, or integral of dx. So for the first term, this is our first term, this is our second term. So you just apply the power rule. Okay, so this would be 3 times x to the power 2, because n here is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then divided by 2 plus, so you supposedly put c1 or c. Okay, so you can put c1 here for the constant of integration for this first term. Plus this one, but since if you put constant here like c1 for the constant for the first term, the other one is you have c2, c1 plus c2, that is still constant, so you just put one constant. Okay, so you just do like this, 4, the integral of dx, we know that the integral of dx is just x, then plus c, or this is 3 halves x squared plus 4x plus c. Okay, so you can also do I will show you another solution class. For that example, you can also do it this way. So I will do it again, example number 3. So we're given integral of 3x plus 4 times dx. So you can rewrite this as integral of 3x dx, then plus integral of 4 dx. So equal to, isolate the constant, 3 times the integral of x dx plus 4 times the integral of dx. So 3 times, applying the power formula, so you have 1 plus 1 is 2, then n plus 1, which is 1 also, plus 1, so 2. Plus, so you have a constant of integration, you can call it as c1. Then plus, you have 4, the integral of dx is just x, then plus, you have a constant c2. So you can combine, you can rewrite this as 3 over 2 times x squared plus, you follow the 4x, then plus c1 plus c2. Then since c1 is a constant, c2 is a constant, so you can just let this 2 constant, you can combine this, you can let this be equal to c. So therefore you have 3 over 2 x squared plus 4x plus c. So this can be like this also, your solution. Okay?